Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a workspace to Slack application on your mobile device. To add a workspace to Slack, first of all, open up the Slack application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the workspace icon at the top left corner, and then this will bring up this workspace tab, from where you'll need to tap on Add a Workspace at the bottom. Now, tap on Create a new workspace. Select an email address to use. You can also use a different email address. I'm just going to choose the previous one. Now, click on Get Started and then write down your name. You can also add a profile picture for yourself and then tap on Next. And then write down the name for your workspace. You can also add a profile picture for your workspace and click on Next. Now, enter the name of your company or your team and click Next. Invite a few of your teammates to Slack. You can tap on Share a link and select one of the contacts you'd like to invite. You can choose the contact from any messaging applications or directly via SMS or email. After selecting and inviting a friend, tap on Next. You can also skip this step by tapping Skip at the top right so that you can do this later. You can also add teams from your Contacts tab. Now on the next page, you can type in the name of the project your team is working on and click Next. Soon after you do that, you have successfully created a new workspace. You can now go ahead and add teammates or get the conversation started if you've already added enough teammates to your workspace. Adding and managing multiple workspaces in Slack is an efficient way to streamline your communication across various teams and projects. By following these steps, you can enhance your productivity and stay connected with all of your collaborators in one place. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.